Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn 20 famous cricketers. We will also learn the country to which they belong. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. On number 1 we have Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer from India. Next is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is also a cricketer from India. On number 3 we have MS Dhoni or Mahendra Singh Dhoni, cricketer from India. Next up we have Rohit Sharma. He is also from India. Next cricketer is Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev is also a cricketer from India. Next up we have Sunil Gavaskar. He is also from India. Next cricketer is Don Bradman. He is from Australia. Next is Ricky Ponting. He is also from Australia. Next cricketer is Steve Smith. He is also from Australia. Muthaiya Muralitharan. He is a cricketer from Sri Lanka. Next up we have Kumar Sangakkara. He is also a cricketer from Sri Lanka. Next up we have Jack Scalise. He is a cricketer from South Africa. Next up we have AB de Villiers. He is a cricketer from South Africa. Next up we have Brian Lara. He is a cricketer from West Indies. Next up we have Chris Gayle. He is a cricketer who plays for West Indies. Next up we have James Anderson. He is a cricketer from England. Next up we have Ben Stokes. He is a cricketer from England. Next up we have Kane Williamson. He is a cricketer from New Zealand. Next up we have Babar Azam. He is a cricketer from Pakistan. On number 20 we have Wasim Akram. He is a cricketer from Pakistan. I hope you all like this video. Comment down your favorite cricketer and from which country they belong.